Welcome to our channel. Today we're diving into a common household dilemma: cotton versus nylon laundry bag. Whether you're looking for durability, ease of use, or the perfect fit for your laundry routine, we've got you covered. So stay tuned to find out which laundry bag suits your needs best. Introduction to laundry bags. Laundry bags are essential for keeping your clothes organized and protected during washing. They come in various materials, but today we'll focus on two popular options: cotton and nylon. Let's explore the features and benefits of each to help you make an informed decision.
Still wasting money on ads that get ignored? Let influencers tell your story. Promotional Pack connects your e-com brand to the right niche influencer to reach your target audience. Get more sales with less spent. Link in description.
Material composition. Cotton laundry bags are made from natural fibers, making them biodegradable and environmentally friendly. They are breathable, which helps to reduce odor buildup and allows for air circulation. Nylon, on the other hand, is a synthetic material known for its durability and resistance to wear and tear. It's lightweight and often more water-resistant than cotton. Durability. When it comes to durability, nylon laundry bags have the upper hand. Nylon is known for its strength and resistance to abrasion, making it less likely to tear or wear out quickly. Cotton bags, while durable, can wear down over time, especially with frequent washing and heavy loads. Breathability and odor control. Cotton laundry bags excel in breathability. The natural fibers allow air to circulate, reducing the chances of mildew and bad odors developing. Nylon bags, while less breathable, are often designed with mesh sections or ventilation holes to help with airflow. However, they may not be as effective as cotton in this regard. Ease of cleaning. Cleaning your laundry bag is crucial for maintaining hygiene. Cotton bags can be easily washed in a regular laundry cycle, though they might shrink slightly after the first wash. Nylon bags are generally easy to clean as well, often requiring just a wipe down or a quick rinse. They dry faster than cotton, which can be a plus if you need to use them frequently. Water resistance. Nylon laundry bags are typically more water resistant than cotton bags. This makes them a better choice if you often deal with wet or damp laundry, such as gym clothes or swimsuits. Cotton bags, being absorbent, are not ideal for wet items, as they can retain moisture and take longer to dry. Environmental impact. Cotton is a natural, renewable resource and biodegradable, making it a more environmentally friendly option. However, the production of cotton can be resource-intensive. Nylon, being synthetic, is not biodegradable, but it tends to have a longer lifespan, which can reduce the need for frequent replacements. Cost considerations. Generally, cotton laundry bags tend to be more affordable than nylon bags. However, the price can vary based on the quality and brand. While nylon bags might be more expensive upfront, their durability can make them a cost-effective choice in the long run. Aesthetic and style. Cotton bags often come in a variety of styles and patterns, appealing to those who want a more personalized or aesthetic look. Nylon bags are typically more functional in appearance, focusing on practicality and durability. Suitability for different uses. Cotton laundry bags are great for everyday use, especially if you're looking for a breathable and environmentally friendly option. They're perfect for storing clothes, bedding, and other items. Nylon bags are ideal for more rugged use, such as travel, gym visits, or carrying heavy loads. Their strength and water resistance make them versatile for various activities. Outro. Thank you for watching. We hope this comparison helps you choose the perfect laundry bag for your needs. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment below to let us know your preference, cotton or nylon. See you in the next video.